Okay, pick one.
Who do I pick?
I don't know.
Ooh, I'll get this one. Oh. T-I-I-N-S-S.
What's the first letter?
E.
What's this letter?
H. Oh no.
Who's Luke's mommy?
Oh no. Oh no. Who is it?
Remember Luke with the Cars racetrack?
Oh yeah.
What's her name?
Oh no. Oh no.
You don't remember?
Oh.
Kirsten?
Kirsten.
Show me the paper.
I picked Kirsten. The one has a racetrack.
Say yay, Kirsten.
Yay, Kirsten.
You won.
I won.
No, say you won. She won.
She won.